Hi, I'm Scotty. I service, repair and restore vintage and antique mechanical clocks. Welcome to Scotties Clock World.
Right, we're using a number 7 spanner. We'll loosen these nuts off. Just a tiny bit to get a start. Okay, now turn it around the way. We'll take the suspension spring and the pendulum leader off first by undoing these two screws. On there. And there. Carefully lift that up and take it out of the crutch. That piece there is the crutch. That part there is the suspension spring, and that's the leader. The pendulum bob hangs down on there. That's the pendulum bob. So it hangs like so. We'll take the fast slow winder out while we're here. That'll just drop out. Now we can undo the nuts a bit more. Remember, there might be a little bit of tension left between the wheels, so we'll keep that in mind when we open up the plates. We won't just rip them off. We'll take them off very carefully and slowly. And the last one. Now slowly lift. Actually, you can see the spring here that keeps tension on the hammer. We'll slide that off like so. We'll put that back on later on. Now slowly start lifting the front plate off. Little bit of tension there. You saw the warning wheel move. So, come on. And that. We don't want pieces jumping out anywhere, so be very careful when we take this off. Here we go. That aside. We'll take the crutch, the pallets out. They go on the going side over there. And that's our movement. Get our block out. Now we'll start taking the wheels out. On the going side, first wheel is the escape wheel. Third wheel. It's a bit tight, we'll lift that up. Take a little bit of tension in, that's what's holding it. Right. Second wheel. First wheel. Strike side. We've got the fly. Up the other way to hold it there. The fly. Warning wheel. You can always pick the warning wheel. It has 1 or 2 pins on it. When it goes into warning for the hour, and the other one for the half hour. That's the lift lever. Move it aside. I'll take the hammer out, that'll make it easier. The hammer's gone. There. Take the lift lever out, which is that piece there. Now, look at the first wheel. Lift the spring up a little bit so we can make sure that's run down. It's got him. First wheel on the strike side. Now we'll take the main springs out. Our contained spring from the strike side, put him over there. The going side, the going train, put him over there. That's how motion works. We'll take those out. On there. That one there. That's the back plate. It's all finished, been taken to pieces. Now we'll put them through an ultrasonic cleaner and clean them up, and then we'll check the bushings to see how good they are, whether we need to do any rebushing or not.
If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about antique and vintage clock repair, be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.